Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknath Khadse Talent School, Muktinagar online tutorial. I am Sachin Patil, your EVS teacher, and today we are going to learn our chapter 2nd and worksheet 1st. Today we are solving worksheet 1st of chapter 2nd. What is our chapter name? My body parts. What? My body parts. So first you write your name here. I am writing my name here. In this way you write your name. Okay? You write your name here. See. What is in this screen? See. Write down which part of body are in pair and which are single. My dear student, have you know our body is made up of different parts? Correct? Our body is made up of different parts. Each part of the body has an important role to play. Correct? Means our eyes. For what purpose we are using our eyes? Our eyes to help us to see around us. Correct? Our eyes help us to see around us. Then our nose. With the help of nose, we can breathe. Our ear. With the help of our ear, we can listen. So, all these are our body parts. Now, what is the question? Write down which part of the body are in pair and which are in single. Pair means what? Pair means what? Means two. Which are the two body parts are same? I have two eyes. Correct? We have two eyes. I have one nose. Our nose is only one. Correct? One nose. I have two eyes. I have one nose. I have two ears. Two ears. I have one tongue. Okay? One tongue. I have two hands. How many hands we have? Two hands. Okay? Then I have two hands and I have one mouth. I have one mouth. Correct? Understand? Now, I have two knees. How many knees? Two knees. Correct? I have two knees. I have one chin. Correct? So, I have two eyes. I have two ears. I have two hands. I have two knees. I have one nose. I have one tongue. I have one mouth. I have one chin. So, in this way we can pair the body parts or the single body parts. Okay? Now next. See. Have you seen this picture? What is this picture? This is about our face. This is about our face. This picture shows our face. See. What inside this picture? Read the question. Mark the parts of the face in the picture with the help of the words given in the box. The words are given in this box. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 9 words are in this box. These words we write here in this small box. Okay. This is our face. Correct? This is our face. Now, what is this? What we call this? This is our hair. Where the hair? Word hair this here word we write here, here, in this way. Okay? In this way we can write. Then, what is this? This is our forehead. What it's called? Forehead. Forehead. Understand? Then, what is this? This is a ear. This word you write here. Ear. What is this? This is called cheek. This is called cheek. The word cheek here. Cheek. This is called cheek. Okay? Now, what is this? This is a eyebrow. The word eyebrow you write here. Eyebrow. What is this? This is a eye. The word eye you write here. Okay? What is this? This is a nose. So, this word you write here. Nose. Okay? Now see, the next is, what is this? This is a mouth. You write mouth here. What is this? This is called chin. This is called chin. Okay? So, all these are our face body parts. This is ear, this is forehead, this is ear, this is cheek, this is mouth, this is chin, this is nose, this is eye, this is eyebrow. Okay? Now turn the page, the next page. See, what inside this page? See, write the functions of body parts. What we have to write? The functions of body parts. Functions means what? How our body parts work and how they help us. Okay? See, write the functions of body part. I see with my eyes. I see. This is eyes. Correct? This picture is eyes. Then what you write? I see with my eyes. So you write here see. What is this picture? Tongue. It is called tongue. So I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. Okay? Now next. What is this? This is a neck. Okay? So what the neck is used, or how the neck is used to us? I can turn my head. I can turn my head with the help of neck. I can turn. I can turn my head with the help of neck. Okay? Now next. See. What is this picture? This is a nose. So how the nose is help us? I breathe and smell. I breathe and smell. What you write here? Breathe. What you write here? Breathe. I breathe and smell. I breathe and smell with my nose. I breathe and smell with my nose. Okay? Next. What is this? This is a hand. What do you do with your hands? I write and hold. What do you hold? Things with my hand. I write and hold. I write and hold. Okay? I write and hold things with my hand. Okay? In this way you write. Now next. What is this picture? These are the legs. These are the legs. How the legs are help us? I stand, walk, dance and run with the help of my legs. Then what you write here? I stand, comma, walk. Then dance. Stand, walk, dance and run with the help of my legs. Understand? Now next. What is this picture? This is a mouth. What we do with our mouth? What we do with our mouth? I speak and chew with my mouth. I speak. I speak and eat with my mouth. What you write here? I speak and eat with my mouth. Okay? Now next. What is this? These are the teeth. These are called as a teeth. What the teeth are used? I bite. I bite and chew. I bite and chew food with my teeth. I bite and chew food with my teeth. So in this way you can solve the worksheet first. Understand? Thank you, student. I hope you enjoyed the today's session. Now we will come the worksheet second of chapter second. Thank you.